So let's go ahead and create our subclass now. So back to the music videos project, I have an empty performance video file. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is extend music video, and so I need to import it. Now, if you're using these directories here to organize your files, the way that you refer to a file inside of a directory for import purposes is like so. So you say from, and then the directory name, dot, and then the module or file name. So like music video. So that's the music video.py file inside of the logic folder. I'm going to import music video. So that's the parent class inside of the file. And then I have my class definition, performance video, it knows to match the name. And then I'm going to have everything that music video has by default, so I don't have to specify it here. So the way I make it inherit from music video is by putting the name of the parent class inside of those parentheses. And then anything defined here, like artist title, year, note, map, is going to be available inside of this class as well through inheritance. Now, in addition to those things, I'm going to want to have a location for the performance and also a date. So that's different from the year of release. And now that I think about it, I actually do sort of want to have release year here instead of just year. So this is going to be release year. And then this will just be performance date. Okay. And then my class definition, my constructor. So this is going to have everything that music video has first. So I'm going to copy that. And then in addition, it's going to have location and performance date. So the first thing you want to do inside the constructor for the subclass is call the constructor for the parent class so that it has all of the stuff that the parent has. So the way you do that is you call super, that returns the parent class, dot, and then the constructor name. And then you have to pass in the things that the constructor is expecting. So basically everything except the self. So you don't need to pass in self because this thing here, that's basically what self is. But you pass in the rest of it. And then after you've set those things, now you can do self.location is location and self.performance date is performance date. So I don't need to have a map here because everything that's a performance video is going to have access to this music video map as well. And in the constructor for the parent, I'm actually adding the object to the map. But I do need to define a getKey method for performance video if I want it to be different from the getKey method for a regular music video. And I do because I need more than just the artist and title in order to uniquely identify a performance video. So probably I need artist title and location and performance date. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to define a getKey method. And it's going to be a formatted string, which is going to include artist. Actually, I want to call getArtist here because this is going to work both for music videos and also for performance videos, getArtist. If I try to access this directly, like so, this actually does not work correctly because Name mangling will only work if I write that code inside of this class. Doesn't work if you write it inside of a child class. You can get around it by doing that, by putting underscore class name and then underscore underscore artist. That actually will return the right value, but it's better to just call the getter for artist, which will always work. And then, so I want artist colon title. And I'm going to need a getter for that. And then let's do comma, or let's do at, and then self dot under location, because this is a local property. And then on self dot performance state. And then let me make this narrower here. So that's everything I need for the key, and then I'm going to convert that all into lowercase. And that should be everything I need for the subclass.